So here are the resources for this course, and I'm giving you this link right now so that if you are just starting out and this course you're not quite at the level for this course, you could click these links and go to the HTML course, or you could go to the Go programming course. And yeah, so that's how you get here, just this URL right there. There are some Go programming resources, so if you follow this link, then it's going to take you to resources for the Go programming language, and you could get there by going to that document. So here's a form for asking and answering questions. So you could ask and answer questions here on the class, but you could also go to these forums. And this one in particular has some of the best people in the Go programming language. It's a really great, friendly community because it's small and it's just getting started. And so as you get in it, you get to know the people but the big people in the Go programming language come in here and answer questions. That's a great thing to know about. And then we have the code for the course, so the language fundamentals and web programming, these GitHub repos. You could get to the course outline. I think that's the one we just did, K5GCCY, same thing. Follow me. Follow me on Twitter. I'm always releasing really cool stuff and coupon codes and new cars. I give them away all the time, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. And then we have great books. So these are some really nice books for the Go programming language. This one's a little bit older, but I really like it. And Ivo's just a really cool dude. And not to mention all these other people are cool dudes too, but I just mentioned that because this one's a little bit older, but it's a nice book. It's a nice book. And here are some just YouTube things that you could check out. And those, Caleb Doxey's YouTube playlist is really fantastic if you're just getting started with programming. And then we have Art and Training, Bill Kennedy's Art and Lab Ultimate Go Training. And so if you want an in-person training, Bill Kennedy is the world's leading corporate Go trainer. All right, so those are those resources. And what else do we have here? The code used in this course is right there. Goes to 11, Golang Web Dev, this URL right there. And what else do we have? Go Language Fundamentals, that course. We already covered that and that. So those are the course resources. That's the end.